Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by measuring the existing mesh and frame, note width and height so the new panel fits. Once measured, gather tools, screwdriver, pliers, utility knife, spline tool, and replacement mesh so you won't stop mid-job. Remove visible screws and hinge pins carefully. Support the door as you work to prevent damage. You want steady hands here because precise removal prevents warped frames. After the door is free, lay it flat on foam or towels to protect the finish before cut. You continue by trimming and peeling away the old mesh. Pull out the spline and scrape adhesive with a flat tool so the channel is clean. Once clean, lay the new mesh over the frame and pull it taut, working from the center toward the edges to avoid wrinkles. Use the spline tool to press new spline into the channel, securing the mesh. Cut excess mesh with a utility knife and leave a small overlap. Make sure edges are even so the mesh sits flush and the door closes smoothly. You finish by trimming any excess mesh flush to the spline, then reinstall the door hardware and hinge pins with even torque so alignment stays true. Rehang the door, close it slowly, and check the latch, sweep, and gaps. Make incremental hinge adjustments if the door binds. If the mesh has a small rip, apply a patch kit immediately. If the door sags or rattles, add thin shims or tighten hinge screws. You'll want to test operations several times before calling the job complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.